Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Did you know that tiny plastic particles in the ocean may be weakening one of Earth's most powerful climate control systems? This is not an opinion. This is what scientific research has revealed. A recent study conducted by researchers from the University of Sharjah, led by Ihsanullah Obaidullah, has shown how microplastics interfere with the ocean's biological carbon pump. So, how did scientists discover this? The research was published in the Journal of Hazardous Materials, Plastics, and it was not based on a single experiment. Instead, the scientists conducted a large scientific review. They carefully analyzed 89 peer-reviewed studies published between 2010 and 2025 from laboratories, ocean surveys, and international environmental reports. It's quite fascinating how comprehensive their approach was. By comparing results from different parts of the world, they identified a clear pattern. It's amazing to see how interconnected our planet truly is. First, let's talk about phytoplankton. These are tiny plant-like organisms found at the ocean's surface. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere dissolves into seawater, and phytoplankton absorb this dissolved carbon dioxide using sunlight during photosynthesis. This marks the beginning of the biological carbon pump, a natural process that moves carbon from the surface ocean to deep sea layers. It's a remarkable cycle, isn't it? But the studies showed that microplastics block sunlight attached to phytoplankton cells and release toxic chemicals. This damages chlorophyll and slows down photosynthesis. Less photosynthesis means less carbon dioxide is removed from the atmosphere. Next comes zooplankton. Zooplankton eat phytoplankton and help transfer carbon to the deep ocean through their waste and sinking biomass. But research shows that zooplankton mistake microplastics for food. Once ingested, these plastics disrupt digestion, disturb metabolism, reduce growth, and increase death rates. As a result, less carbon sinks into the deep ocean. According to the researchers, this means oceans are slowly losing their ability to act as Earth's largest carbon sink. One of the authors clearly stated that microplastics are undermining the ocean's natural shield against climate change. In simple terms, plastic pollution is directly linked to global warming. That's why scientists say climate change and microplastic pollution cannot be treated as separate problems. Reducing single-use plastics and improving waste management is now part of the fight against climate change. If you found this video informative, like, share, leave comments, and subscribe to our channel.